yɛbɛwura teacher for die ni mu no Sir John James chapter 3 verse 1 Monkan James chapter 3 verse 1 mame Sir John wo Bible no abie producer wadaroma ka okay producer momwame James chapter 3 verse 1 nana yawo fatos mame James chapter 3 verse 1 James 3 verse 1 James chapter 3 a teacher for hu na mane dodo o mama ni hunu James chapter 3 verse 1 wo de hu afatos mame but Sir John here yes maka and I'll be very consistent ekwan ya die teachers for nam so ewo Ghana ha no e time enye na me ade ye me ya ne say last time me ka Sir Rafa sem Sir Rafa say nipa wa boss Sir Rafa pa ye boss na o say asare ena wa boss Sir Rafa ne kasa me Sir Rafa frankoku ne ho so they say because Sir Rafa can ne salary nko an odi a ti oh ti na Sir Rafa oni me na me ka kire no ono wo ya we
me so ka kire off
man ka off
ya wo ye no already so bet take you on
maka kire say
onu so bet take you
on ho e wo he ti maka wa ha say me amadam for ba fi a kira de over 35 years afi na ba fi atimi atoto uta kwa me na am imagine say Befi ntimi kura migrate ungraduate from Toyota Kwame kura anko Toyota better say bi kura na okona dakem ni nyina ne say ye ma teaching no enya akono wo de he mami ya na ne ba ehye nachi enra Sir John enra me rehoye look me rehoye senke betimi anya say o say not many of you should become teachers my brothers because you know that we who teach will be judged more strictly. The act of teaching, Sir John, enye easy. Bible. Enye better. Standard no so. Teacher need your politician adie. Emma politician no timi rise ya konya appointment. Na ne entertainment allowance. They say onfa enkonomunsa. Enfa bi mpemba na onfa bi enye de opeso ode ye mame come say mame nye let me talk please allow me let me talk oh mame at no point let me talk allow me girlfriends entertainment ade let me talk na the answer president correct kasa one boso eno de enya allowance oh please enya allowance or say let me talk mame kasem so dey here now the end of teacher ni end of service benefits for the whole year is such in that allowance you hear say na SIC allegedly omo sensem ba ya former CEO no ni nyema nya better about it didn't we see na entertainment allowance okay you see a kwan idea teachers ni nam so no enye but wo de udi nkomo wie nyame ya adom a me jam laptops ni na wa ha me ban no ba beto aso
teacher for na start send message
yes
now me fine omo car maintenance allowance one sem
enye fine
and I will be send a document bi ma me say omo de circular ba say I ready na de kwan ba fa so mko akwaje no
e ho na asem no
table top
ade why
how much study for
why lady ya ne babo na chi enu Sir John eno obi o hwe TV3 bi ehu yi lady ya ne babo na chi
over 14 months okay eden ya edwuma so ebe kwa akogye ahome enti ahomegye mu no say na won hihye esitie
enye nyina yinim Sir John oti a wo kabrof you crowd so you teacher ni now you see you be boda mafrifie
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
how many times Sir John eno betina fidie so aka wankasa ukulis teachers mom how many times
I mean
you see the point is that mama come say
me ma won ka tie me you free me ma won ka wasem say because just Ibrahim na da bay nya Friday ya na ye kan teacher for asem na me number of times remember number of times on this radio and me din komo kra me timi twi omo be sem me ba me si tie me me say and now go say me ka just say e bre ntia time e bre Name tie me say sem komo me di nkomo bi kro ha me dia metimi a de adwumafo nkomo metimi a de teacher fo be hyem na ma ye menuanum teacher fo ye bre sa sem me ma won kan fa ho ni say how many times na matter radio so aka a chechere fo asem menuanum teacher fo a o mu tie me o mu send me messages wo mo anka sanim they know
there are people they were once upon a time teachers, and I am so disappointed in politicians. Once upon a time they were teachers. Now they find themselves in a very comfortable areas and they've forgotten their past, where they are coming from. Teachers are mubia ometimia rise ya krabe ministers.
But
Honorable Duchum was a teacher. Was a teacher.
The current sports minister.
I didn't know you about teachers. Honorable Duchum. Miami of Anon.
Oh.
But mommy say a dear or near, a dear pan or the boy or your boy teachers. Please. Let's speak truth to power.
87.9 Kumasi.
Create the teachers for Korea sitting. Mami I wish see benya mami no mami na neba enru ho mon try na munya mami, and you understand and appreciate what I'm saying. Parliament CCA number of teachers ho parliament MPs or teachers. What are they doing to support their colleagues? And they omo ejaje kire omo nya baby esi omo refi baby omo free ba teachers for come asem e kan asem a hey na me sometimes I blame their leaders.
Not at the national level but within the constituencies no. Almost said that year package.
It's not about this.
No. But
let me
say won't even push at the level. They also make my you do it.
Let me say this. Because
you will be no more.
Let me say this. Look. You see, I said Napa, am I referee? I said Napa, am I referee?
87.9 Kumasi.
And the teachers. Certain basic things. Now me say teacher ni a otra de we kura se hinterland. Se ne ba kura da scholarships wa na ka ede. Teacher ni otra de we kura se hinterland o. E no go area. Baby o no network ni ho. Ofa fono a te se wa fa ka be kurum. Obi o ha baby o kura no ka ba ko pe ne ko ho. Obi o ho a ka mpo nko ho obesi hwe omo kira de wo udru friend say drobonso. Udru domonso baby a wo say asase krofoforo bi a te say utwa nsuo to a no oma cut off. This a drone ko form.
I understand last time drone omotro ABC
the plan for the mom drone and the
papers are mom to the
it teacher near ultra the whole area. Sa teacher ni
madam no say baby owo.
Yes, ne baba kumpokra da scholarship so wo de he se teacher ni akatua no kra na enya yi na dey se jo koko fo ikrom yo koko yi koko scholarships kra no enye koko fo no kra na benefit omo mudua koko no e dia to se koko scholarships no enye koko fo ne ma na benefit se jo on de ko ni